Why is court summoning Nnamdikanu again? I thought they have sentenced him to life sentences. So, life imprisonment. Does it mean he has to come and be resuming or what? So let us know the reason why uh, he was being summoned. A federal high court in Abuja has issued a summons for the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdikanu, to appear before it on November 28th. Confirming the developments, Kanu's brother, Prince Kanu, said the court appearance is for the settlement of a record relating to an appeal Kanu filed ahead of the November 20 judgment. According to him, a production warrants required to facilitate Kanu's transfer from the Sokoto prison where he is currently being held to the courts in Abuja. However, the court reportedly declined to issue the warrant, raising questions about how he will be transported for the proceedings. Okay. Well, federal government and judiciary, they are confused. Omotosho is a Judas Iscariot. He will vomit the money they gave to him. Mr. Hoss was he arraigned for treason or terrorism? Maybe they want to buy him. Simply stated, just a passing glance. Those are Yorubas, not Igbos. They only change their username to Igbo. Don't even mind them. Okay, some people are using that to to disguise. They want to manage the way they manage to move him to Sokoto. They should do same in producing him in court, because for him to find his way to the court means that he is no longer under the correctional service. Exactly. Like seriously, most top politicians in East and South are behind Nnamdi Kanu's case. Bunch of thieves. The James Omoto show just acted flagrantly in the manner he handled the Kanu's judgments. He should have kept him at Lokoja, Lafia, or even Mena, medium prison, if he must not stay in Abuja. His court is not in the final place, so he messed up by using anger to send him to Sokoto. The matter continues, and Omotosho's judgment has been filed in international courts for Perusa. Okay. In Nigeria, the punishment for treason is to buy. Okay. According to section 37 of the criminal code, this applies to anyone who levies war against the state. So what do you have to say about the so-called bandit that the government is negotiating with? Those ones are not terrorists, Abi. They are negotiating with them. I told you that it's always a soft target they always go after, because you don't expect somebody to say, oh, collateral damage, but because they know that Nnamdikanu is a soft target. That is where you see Nigerian government so active in what they are doing, because they don't mean well for the people. Once they begin to act so actively well with people they are trying to accuse, know that that person is a soft target, and they will use all the laws in this world to fight the person. This person is telling us that the punishment for the treason that they accuse Nnamdikanu of is to buy him. But in the case of terrorists, the bandits and the Boko Haram, no, they go mute. So what are you insinuating? So what is the penalty for those who do not obey the law, constitution, but relied on repealed law, or a country that has violated the international law? Who is expecting you with all this your sabi selfism? Why did they take him far to Sokoto, knowing very well he will not back down? Make I not even be plans to set make it not be say plan to set him on head crash or attack by Fulani bandits. People will know, we can't know. Who did they really want to deceive on that? So bad. So guys, but that is just the whole thing. Somebody who has been sentenced, they've concluded the matter. You are not saying there is some money in it back to work to the court again. Let's see how it goes. It's only in Nigeria you see the abnormal things happening